Hello everyone and welcome back to Pinterest TV. A walk-in wardrobe is a type of wardrobe that is large enough to walk into. This is usually a whole dedicated room or at least a part of a room that is specifically designated for storage of clothing, shoes, and accessories. A walk-in wardrobe will typically include various storage options such as shelves, drawers, hanging rails, and sometimes even a dressing table or island. They are often considered a luxury feature as it provides ample storage spaces and allows for easy organization and access to all your clothes. Sometimes, a walk-in wardrobe is also referred to as a dressing room as it provides a private space for getting dressed and trying on clothes. They are similar to fitted wardrobes but generally are open without doors. If you've been considering a walk-in wardrobe, then you might be doing some research to work out what some of the benefits are. So to keep things simple, we've put together a list of the main benefits of having a walk-in wardrobe in your home. There are so many benefits of having a walk-in wardrobe. One of them is increased storage space. You will have a whole lot of storage spaces. You will have a tidier and a clutter-free bedroom. Also, you will have better organization, bespoke and customized to your requirements. It adds value to your home, increased privacy, make your room look better. A walk-in wardrobe allows for ample storage space for clothes, shoes, and accessories, which can help keep your bedroom on clutter-free. The extra space provided by a walk-in wardrobe can promote airflow, making it easier to prevent mold and mildew. The additional hanging space allows your clothing to breathe, and by keeping items from becoming too tightly packed together, you may also be able to reduce the needs for ironing caused by creases. Having a tidier, clutter-free bedroom is the goal. A walk-in wardrobe allows for ample storage space for clothes, shoes, accessories, which can help your bedroom or living space clutter-free. A clean and tidy bedroom can have a significant impact on your mental health. When your living space is cluttered and messy, it can contribute to feelings of stress and anxiety. On the other hand, a clean and organized bedroom can promote feelings of calm and relaxation. When you wake up in the morning to a clean and tidy bedroom, you start your day off on the right foot. Definitely. You feel more in control and ready to tackle the day's challenges. Not having to worry about cluttered and disorganized space will free up mental space that can be used to focus on more important things. Also, having a clean and tidy bed